People always talk about the lone wolf, like it's a tragedy, like it's something sad, isolation, loneliness. But they misunderstand what that really means. The wolf isn't alone because it failed to belong. It walks alone because it doesn't follow every pack. There's a difference. Most people stay wherever they're accepted, even if it costs them their character, their honesty, their standards. The wolf doesn't do that. If the environment is wrong, it leaves. No drama, no announcement, just distance. And the truth is, it was never meant to walk with everyone. But that doesn't mean it walks completely alone. There are always a few, loyal, aligned, because they choose to be. Because solitude is never the problem.